Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So welcome to Vet It's You YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to wish all the best to all the aspirants of the pre-veterinary entrance test conducted by Duvasu Mathura. In this video, we will discuss about the payment seats available under the Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry undergraduate program in Duvasu Mathura and its fees structure. So without any further ado, let's get started. Simply, the payment seats are usually the second preference of any aspirant applying in the college, and these seats are offered to any of the student according to their merit. And admission to these payment seats will only be done via pre-veterinary entrance test conducted by Duvasu Mathura. So, out of 80, only 18 seats are available under the payment quota for Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry in Duvasu Mathura. Now moving on, we will discuss about the fees structure. So, at the time of the admission, student have to pay a sum of 11,650 rupees. The amount of 11,650 rupees is a one-time due. It simply means that you have to pay this amount only at the time of admission. Now, the basic fees structure for the Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry in Duvasu Mathura for professional first, second and third year includes a sum of 32,750 rupees. And for the fourth professional year, you have to pay the sum of 49,100 rupees, as the time period of the fourth professional year will be of 1.5 years. Now moving on, the payment seats fees amount is just an extra amount you have to pay along with the basic fees and one time due at the time of admission. So any aspirant taking admission under the payment seat quota in BVSC and AH Duvasu Mathura will have to pay the amount of 3 lakh rupees in first year along with the basic fees and one time due at the time of admission. In the subsequent second and third year, the students have to pay sum of 1.5 lakh rupees along with the basic fees. At last, under the payment seat quota in fourth year, the student have to pay a sum of 2.25 lakh rupees along with the basic fees of the fourth year. Now moving ahead, we will discuss about the hostel fees structure under the Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry undergraduate program in Duvasu Mathura. So for the professional first, second and third year, in the single seated room, a student have to pay a sum of 4,000 rupees along with the hostel maintenance charges of 2,500 rupees, common room charges of 200 rupees and electricity charges of 3,000 plus extra charges as per the actual meter reading. Similarly, if a student is allotted in a double seated room for the professional first, second and third year, that student have to pay a sum of 2,000 rupees plus hostel maintenance charges of 2,500 plus common room charges of 200 and electricity charges of 3,000 rupees plus extra charges as per the actual meter reading. Moving on, in the fourth professional year, if a student allotted in a single seated room, he or she have to pay a sum of 6,000 rupees plus hostel maintenance charges of 3,750 rupees, common room charges of 300 rupees and electricity charges of 4500 rupees plus extra charges as per the actual meter reading. And if someone is allotted for the double seated room in the professional 4th year, that student have to pay the sum of 3000 rupees along with the hostel maintenance charges of 3750 rupees plus common room charges of 300 rupees and electricity charges of 4500 plus extra charges as per the actual meter reading. Before moving ahead, there are two important notes: that allotment of hostel and whether it is a single or double seated room is subjected to the availability. In the nutshell, the total fees for the professional first year of Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry undergraduate program in Duvasu, Mathura for payment seat quota will be around 3,44,400 rupees excluding hostel charges. In the subsequent second and third year of the Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, the fees under the payment quota will be 1,82,750 rupees. And at last, the total fees for the 4th year of Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry under the payment seat quota will be around 2,74,100 rupees. The charges for the hostel are not included in these fees amount for the different year. I hope the queries related to the payment seat and its fees structure for Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry in Duvasu, Mathura is now clear. I hope you like the video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Vet It's You, and don't forget to check down the comment section. Thanks for the watching.